In this video, we are going to see what is the layout properties in CSS. The layout property indicates how elements are angled in web pages. That means it tells how the elements are to be angled in the web pages. Types of layout. First one, flex. Second one, grid. Third one, oval. Fourth one, fort. These are the layout types. Now let us discuss about types of layouts. Here, what is flex layout in CSS? Flex is a CSS layout model that design one-dimensional layout. That means if we want to create a row or column, then we use flex layout. When we use flex layout, we have the capability to create either row or column. That means one-dimensional layout is either to create flex is used to create one-dimensional layout. Example, it is used to create navigation bars. Here what is navigation bars means here where I place the mouse pointer, the file home, insert, design, layout, reference are all of the navigation bars, the MS Word. Now let us see what is Flexbox properties. There are so many types of Flexbox properties. Let us discuss about the type. Display colon flex. Turns the container into a flex container. The display property is used to indicate what type of layout is to be set in a web page. That is the use of display property. What is flex-direction? It indicates in which direction that the elements want to be placed. That means either in row wise or column wise or in left side or in right side. What is Getify-content? It aligns the items, that means elements, in a horizontal manner. That means in the form of row. Align items. If we want to place the items in the top or center or bottom, then we use align items. What is flex wrap? Means allows items to wrap onto a multiple line. It means when you use flex wrap, it allows items to wrap on a multiple line. Align content. It is either to align the content in a container in the either center, top or right side. What is gap? It is used to provide space between each and every element. This is the example program for Flexbox in CSS. Here you can see in the container box I am given display colon flex. It indicates the layout should be designed in the flex type. That means in the one-dimensional format. Here Getify-content paste the all properties as explained in the previous examples. Let us see the output. Here this is the output. Here there is basically one advantage of Flexbox. What is the advantage of Flexbox means it expands with the browser size. That means if you expand the browser size, then the items are angled automatically to the exact size. If we decrease the size, the items will automatically decrease its size. This is the use of Flexbox. If I want to place the items from the left side, then I simply press left and run and debug program. Here the All elements are passed from website to website. It is the use of Flexbox in CSS. Now let us see what is grid in CSS. CSS grid is used to create two-dimensional layout systems. That means if you want to create a two-dimensional layout, then we use grid properties. What is two-dimensional layout means in the form of rows and columns. If you want to paste both the rows and columns in the web page, then we use grid layout property. If you want to paste either only row or column, then we use flex properties. Here, basically the difference is flex is either to create one-dimensional layout, but grid is either to create two-dimensional layout. This is the major difference between flex and grid. Example, the grid is either to create photo galleries in web pages. That means if you want to paste multiple photos on web pages, then we use grid properties. Now let us see what are the other properties that are present in grid layout. Here display column grid means, as I told earlier, whenever we use display property, it indicates the type of layout property should be pasted and stored in the web page. That means if we use grid property, the elements are stored in the form of grid. That means rows and columns. What is grid hyphen template hyphen columns property defines how many columns. If we use grid template columns property, it indicates how many columns we want in the web page is indicated below this property. That is this. And what is grid template rows property? It indicates how many rows we want to create in the web page is defined by the grid template layout grid template row property. What is gap or grid gap means? It provides gap between each and every element in the web page. Now let us see example program. Example program for grid. Here, as I said, the properties in the previous, the all properties are indicated in the program. Here, I am taken the container that is parent, and in container, I am placed the grid items that is scaled. The elements are placed in the grid items. The container holds the all items together. Here I use grid template columns property and I given 3 columns and I paste auto. Here it gets the size automatically. Here I am given gap 10 pixels, background color white. Grid items for elements I am given all in color, padding 20 pixels, check align center. That means I paste the elements in the center of the container. Color I am given white color. And here I am defining the classes. Why? Because we use class selector in previous. That means you can see here dot is present. That means class selectors. Now let us see the output. Here you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is different because in elements I am given numbers. If I am again the content like hello, hi, bye, then the content will be displayed like hello, hi, bye. The content will be pasted by our choice. This is the end of this property. Hope you understand this video. If you understand this video, then give a like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.